Hey, welcome to Rygaard Creations. In this video, I will show you how to add new tools, brushes, or commands to this left panel of the custom room interface that are added in new versions in 3DCoat. Currently, in 3DCoat, we will activate and use scripts to make customizations to the interface. 3DCoat does not automatically update these scripts. This means that new features added or changes in new versions of the program will not be added to the scripts activated and used by us. This problem can be solved easily. However, we will have to do this update process manually, okay? Great. Now, I will show you a real situation that is happening right now. 3DCoat has a new tool added in version 58. That is the bevel tool, okay? I will now go to the sculpt room, which is the standard 3DCoat sculpt room. By the way, I'm in surface mode, okay? And when I go now to the left panel of the interface, in the adjust section, right here, I have the new bevel tool, right? Right. So, I'm go back to my custom room Rygaard creations. And if I go here in the left panel, even thought I don't have the adjust section, as you can see, unfortunately, I don't have the new bevel tool in any of the sections here. Yeah, unfortunately, I don't have it. So, to solve this problem, I'd like to show you two ways in which you can act. One is more elaborate and the other is much easier, alright? The first way I will show you is the more elaborate one, because we will need to use the script to be able to add the tool manually. I like this way because I'm sure that I will be able to add or modify anything inside the script without any problems. And at the same time, I know that I will not have problems with 3DCoat modifying all my modifications that I made here in the interface, okay? Because a more automated process, there is always, even if it's a small possibility, the possibility of unpleasant surprises to happen. So, I prefer to do this update manually, directly in the script, okay? Great. I will go to the sculpt room. And being the standard 3DCoat sculpt room, I will click on the Edit Current Room Settings button and open the toolset.cpp script through the Edit script for the tool setting button. As always, I will work safely within this original script. So, to prevent me from making any kind of trouble unintentionally changing the original script, I will copy all the code from the toolset.cpp script in the sculpt room. To do this, I'm going to press Ctrl A on the keyboard to select all the codes of the script and press Ctrl C to copy them. I'm going to close the toolset.cpp script And I'm going to click on this new button so that I can have a new file here in Notepad++. Now, I'm going to press Ctrl V on the keyboard to paste all the codes that I've just copied from the Sculpt Room's toolset.cpp script. And I'll close Notepad++ here. Press Cancel button so I can cancel any possible modifications I have made to the script. Great! And now, I'm going back to my custom Rygaard creations room. Being here, I'm going to go back to the Edit Current Room Settings button. And click on the Edit Script for the Toolset button to open the toolset.cpp script that belongs to my custom room, okay? Very important to know. In Notepad++, there is an option to split this main window into two windows, and each window viewing different files. To do this, I'm going to right-click on top of the toolset.cpp tab, and I'll click on the option Move to Other View. As you can see, automatically the program has split the interface, and on each side I have both files at the same time to work with. Good. Of course, you can do the same by placing two separate windows side by side of the program you are using, okay? Great. Now, in this file I copied the codes from the Sculpt Room toolset.cpp script. I just need to find the code for the new tool that has been added to 3DCoat, okay? For this, we already know that the name of the new tool is Sculpt Bevel. So, I'm at the first line of code here in this script. I'm going to click on this binocular icon, which is the program search tool. And in this field here, find what? I'm going to search for the word bevel. I'll click this Find Next button until the search results show me something related to the new tool. And as you can see, the search gave me exactly the command I need. That is tools item extension sculpt bevel. Now, what I need to do is just select all the code. Selected, I press Ctrl C on the keyboard to copy it. Great. The next step is to go to the window on the side. That is the toolset.cpp script from the Rygaard Creations custom room. And pay attention to the original script on the side here. I will identify the correct place to add the new tool here in the script, okay? So, what I need to do is find the void register voxels function. And inside it, there is the conditional structure if a surface, which is the correct place I need to add and place the new bevel tool command, okay? Great. I will look inside here. The next step, now that I have identified the correct place in the script, is to paste the new bevel tool command in the place I need it. So, it is right under the Tools section, Adjust function. I have here also Tools section, Adjust. So, right here, I will paste it exactly the same way as the original script. I will prove to you that I did everything right here inside the toolset.cpp script. To do this, I'm going to save the script, close it, go back into 3DCoat and press the OK button. Great! I go to the left panel of the interface and search here for the Sculpt Bevel tool. Because I don't have the Adjust section, it should appear right here. As you can see, I have successfully added the new tool to my Rygaard Creations custom room, right? Right. Now, I will show you the second way you can add the new tool or modifications, okay? It's more automated way, which is the easiest and fastest, but there's a small possibility of something happening. Generally, it works without problems. This choice will be up to you, okay? Great. Being here in the custom room Rygaard Creations, I'm going to click on the Edit Current Room Settings button. And in the Edit Room window, we will find this big button here. It's called Copy Toolset from the other room. This command will just copy the toolset.cpp script from the sculpt room, which is the default sculpt room, and it will try to keep as much as possible the existing custom sections in the custom room, okay? I will press this button, Copy to from the other room. And in this window, 3DCoat is asking me to choose the room from which it will copy the toolsets toolkit. In my case, here, I would have to choose the Sculpt option and then click on the OK button. But since I have already added the new Sculpt Bevel tool, then I won't need to press the OK button, right? But you can press the OK button. Probably you will also have the new tool successfully added in the left panel of the interface, right? Right. I hope you have learned something new. And as always, I will see you all in the next video. See you there.